This course provides an understanding of how to use Seep, W and Slope, W software for analyzing and designing slope protection measures using vegetative cover to mitigate rainfall-induced slope failures. Participants will learn the principles of slope stability, water seepage, and how to effectively use these tools for designing safe and effective slope protection solutions. Course objectives: to demonstrate step-by-step guide to setting up a Seep, W and Slope, W model. To understand the influence of rainfall on pore water pressure changes and stability of slopes. To design a suitable slope cover to minimize rainfall infiltration into the slope. What will be covered in this course? Features and method of analysis in Slope, W and Seep, W, material properties and boundary conditions, finite element meshing, slip surface options, example workflow of a Seep, W steady state and transient analyses, example workflow of a Slope, W analysis, integration of Seep, W pore water pressure in Slope, W.